welcome back. Today is November 22, 2022. So on Tuesday, Capital One is higher interest. Keep the short run for the stock is run better. And what you need to know on Monday that Dow Jones, Nasdaq, SP 500 kind of fell a little bit, and especially Zoom like ZM and like the report issue on Q4 is a little low for negative MULN -6%, and LIF is -1%. But anyway, they lost a little bit. That's what the whole thing's mean. So on general, Tesla cut up a little bit this morning. Yesterday was my suggestion, like they dropped down to 170, but it's lower than that, 169. And this morning they were getting up over 170, 0.5, 0.6, 0.8, depend. And especially this morning is Tesla, Baba, IQ, MMAT, NIO, and ONCS is the most active one. And the highest percent gain, ON, SDAF, and GP, and BWA. Y is the most active one, staying around 12 to 24%, and especially CE is like around 10% this morning. That's really good gaining percent, and especially ONCS is 24.7%. It's pretty high. It's this morning. But anyway, after this gain is it's going to be dropped back in next week, because this week the consumer index gain a lot. The consumer index, what is that? That's the number for people who live in the US pay for the shopping. They go shop, they go buy online, they go stuff, they purchase a lot of things. Like that's called consumer index. And we can tell in here, utilities start to gain like 4 points, and business information gain 4 points, and ETF and energy is gain 4 points, and solar's gain too. And on here we can see the big loss is AJG, and the big gain is BBY on that, and CE's gain is 2, but it's not that big like BBY. BBY is like pretty good looking for today. If you want, you can get some. It's trending stock. We have Tesla, Mulan, Amazon, Apple, STBX. That's the Starbucks, and IMGO. That's MHGO Bioscience, and the Disney. That's the most good looking one. So we should look at that, because the most I focus on today is Tesla. Yeah, they get really good gain, and the signals come back, they move really fast. Ethereum classes is gaining of 5%, and free market losing today is GMDA is 27.53%, CNEY 16%, and SCPH 12% loss. So Zoom video is lost 8% too. The video used to be like over $100 for a share, and right now just $73. And right now we can get some politic stock like DWAC. Stay away from fake news. Those CNN and News of Post, NBC, all of them. So, and with the gains like MNPR, now we can see on this 28 57% gain, and ON like CS, that's a medical, it's 28%, and BCEL, those gain too. And here we can combine is IMGOs over 104% gain compared with the loss is TC 80% loss. So like what I say in another page, ONCS is 42% gain just on this page too. That means ONCS is the percentage gain is pretty high for today. And in the second point, we see SATX is 27.3% loss. That means in this page we can see like they can gain 100% a day. That means they can lose 80% a day. The expectation usually I say just 50%. Yeah, that's what we have to expect for, like, let's say the first order we can buy like $5. The second order we can buy $4, $3, even to $2. That's the only way right now. Is the economy right now is run by donkey. Donkey is not fun. So this option area we can see Tesla. The last 3 Tesla we do all the call. A lot of call for today. Just 3 put. A lot of calls on the Tesla. I jumped to 2023. That's scary. And on September 15 to 23, it's $34. That's pretty high. And the most active option is the top list still Tesla and PBR and Amazon. That's why, and Apple and Disney and VDA, Meta and Koi. But the top 3, what I'm looking for is like Tesla, PBR, and Amazon. It's moved really fast, get a really strong signal. So the first stock we're going to buy for today, or I'm going to buy, and remember I share what I buy and I chose what you buy. So it's going to be 170 is right now, and we can do some call and send very quick, and we'll be done like a 2 or 3 call option. So we can tell the cap is lost a lot. That means the Tesla are going to be down a little bit more, like they can be 140, 150. That's why just focus right now is keep more put than call. Yep, because it was like pretty low already. They hit the lowest one of the years. It's very scary, but that's a trading life. Sometimes you have to take a risk to be rich. Amazon was 93 right now. Yesterday like 92, 91. And this morning a lot of my students gained a lot of money. Yeah, but you have to take care of your own account right now, because like from now to the end of the year I'm pretty busy. The only way I can support is the info page. You can see the Amazon cap was $1 trillion, and right now is $943 billion. That means they lost more than $60 to $80 billion in just like a couple weeks. That's why you guys heard a lot. The people in Amazon got fired, and whatever reason they just need less worker. Amazon used to hire every day. They take everyone, especially driver. So we can see is now it's closest to the lowest one's 85. make a good choice. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you guys tomorrow.